This is the Sensedge Go, and this is the best wireless air quality monitor ever designed. It is 10 times faster and easier to install than anything else out there. It has an amazing battery life, and maintenance costs are almost zero. So if you have an existing building or retrofit project, this is the device for you.
The Sensedge Go monitors up to 14 parameters, is reset grade B certified and part of the Works with Well catalog. This allows it to be used to meet the requirements of several building certifications, including WELL, LEED, Fitwel, and Reset.
The design and development of the Sensedge Go revolves around one big question. How can we simplify the installation, setup, and maintenance of air quality monitors for all types of deployments, whether that's in an office building, a school, a retail store, or a warehouse? Installation cost is often a major contributor to total project cost, so every single decision that we have made for this product has been focused on making this process as fast as possible. To achieve this, the Sensedge Go is designed to be fully powered by battery and 100% wireless, so you don't have to run a single cable for the installation. This massively reduces installation time and cost.
A key part of keeping costs low is reducing maintenance, and we've done a ton of work to make that happen. The Sensedge Go provides the longest battery life on the market by a mile. This was made possible by several innovations in the design of our battery management system.
We dramatically reduced power consumption by re-architecting and redesigning everything from the ground up, including the most power-hungry components in the device, doubling battery life. The batteries last for up to 8 years using our patent-pending adaptive sampling technology, and over 4 years using a high-frequency fixed sampling rate. This significantly reduces maintenance work, and when you do need to replace the batteries, this can be done quickly and easily.
Each customer can choose the battery life and sensor sampling method that works best for their needs. You can choose a standard schedule, or you can customize a sampling frequency for each sensor individually. For maximum battery life, you can engage our AI-powered adaptive sampling technology, which automatically adapts its sampling frequency and the location of sampling points throughout the building. It leverages external environmental data, historical patterns, machine learning, and personalized calculations with some secret sauce to maximize battery life without sacrificing data accuracy and coverage.
Installing the Sensedge Go takes less than a minute with our simple peel and stick design. Once installed, device configuration is a breeze. Simply power it on and the device will connect to the nearest gateway and send data to the cloud in seconds. You can add the device to the Kitera web app by just tapping your phone on the device.
The Sensedge Go can either connect to your existing IT infrastructure via the gateway, or stay on its own network that is completely independent of your building infrastructure. This allows customers to install devices faster and get to results faster. Data from the Sensedge Go can be sent to the cloud for analysis and for reporting to stakeholders throughout your organization. This allows you to identify patterns, uncover insights, report on those insights, and ultimately turn them into actionable steps to improve your environment and the health of your occupants. In addition, your data can simultaneously be synced to your building management system, which allows you to control and automate your building using data points that are available every single minute, 100% wirelessly.
The Sensedge Go has been designed from the ground up with security in mind. We use enterprise-grade encryption for all communications and worked extensively with world-class security experts at every stage of the development process. Every Kitera device, as well as service, undergoes regular third-party penetration testing.
The Sensedge Go measures up to 14 indoor air quality and environmental parameters. This includes common parameters like particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, carbon dioxide, temperature, and relative humidity, as well as new parameters like light and occupancy. You also have the option of including a second module to expand that even further, covering ozone, carbon monoxide, and more.
The Sensedge Go is not just an air quality monitor. We've now added an occupancy sensor and a light sensor. The light sensor measures not only brightness, but also the entire spectrum of light, giving you a more holistic view of your indoor environment and allowing you to identify issues such as excessive blue light in the evening, which can impact your sleep. These new data points, combined with IAQ data, help you paint a better picture of the occupant experience and uncover more opportunities to create a healthier space. There's also a growing list of virtual sensors, providing you with metrics such as mold risk, air exchange rate, cognitive impact, and viral risk.
The Sensedge Go continues to feature Kytera's unique modular design. This allows you to replace sensors as needed and keep your monitors accurate in the long term with the least amount of maintenance work. Because of the modularity of the sensors, this setup also allows you to add new parameters more easily and to future-proof your building to meet changing regulations or certification requirements.
The Sensedge Go is revolutionary with its simplicity of installation, ease of maintenance, and more parameters than ever before. Reach out to us so we can help take your building to the next level and improve the health and well-being of everyone inside.